Guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of jump button on the application of Snapchat. You will go to settings here. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will scrolling down until you find this window here of Snapchat. Then in this page of app info you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You search about the application of Snapchat. And then you can update your Snapchat if you find updating this blue sign. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.